Hi everybody, Derek here with D's Doings. Today I'm working on 2009 Chevy Express, and so what we're doing today is replacing the accelerator pedal. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come down here, and we got a couple bolts and stuff to undo. So I got one here, and I got two up here. So a little tight down in here. 10 millimeter. So I just let's see if we can get her loose in here. Alrighty. So I've been having some codes flash up on the vehicle, and possible causes with throttle position sensor, throttle body. I had a mass airflow sensor and the accelerator pedal and a computer. So she was throwing out all kinds of goodies. So other video shows replacing the throttle body sensor, and we cleaned throttle position sensor, and then we also cleaned the throttle body. While we're doing all this, I am going to replace accelerator pedal. And then we're going to see what we got. So here we go. Now we got to get the wires off of here. So I got to get my retaining clip off of here, which I want to be kind of gentle here, but let's see here. On this one, I think this has got a clip up here. Never had this one off before. So let's see here. Okay. So it looks like what we got here, I don't know if you can see real good. Little red clip on the end there. So I'm just gonna stick my screwdriver in the back there. Gently, ever so gently. Pull it up, and you see it kind of just pops right off, just like that. So as you kind of pull that clip out, it kind of pushes the harness right off the accelerator pedal there. So we're going to take our new one here, and we are going to put this on here. Now, what I'm going to do is they actually sent, if you can see, a whole new bracket with it, and I opted not to take the whole bracket off. So we're going to just take this new pedal right out of this new bracket. Unbolt that because I don't really feel like taking all that off. So we're just going to unscrew this real quick. Just like so. Obviously, I could have just replaced the whole 9 yards, but changing it up today. All right, done with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the new harness back on here. So as I was pushing the harness down, I was pushing the clip in and it kind of sucked it right down into where it needs to be. All right, so just like that. All right. All we gotta do now, just tighten her right back up. Don't have to crank them down too terribly tight. Snug her down a little bit. And one more. Just like that. All right, so new pedal is on. So what we got to do now is we just have to basically relearn the computer on the vehicle and sync it with my new accelerator pedal. So let's do that real quick here. All right, so all we're going to do is come up here. So what we do is you pretty much just take and you turn the vehicle to the on position. You do not start it, just turn it to the on position. And then we depress the pedal from idle to full throttle slowly 3 times. Now each vehicle is different. This is obviously a Chevy, so this is what we're going to do on this one. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3. Turn her off. All right, well, let's see what we got here. As you can see, as of right now, no check engine lights going on or anything. It sounds pretty good. So and that's how you put a accelerator pedal on a 2009 Chevy Express. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe and hit the like button.